So this is for all my girls that do not know how to curl their hair with a straining iron. First step is to split your hair. So I typically split it like in the middle, and then this will be the bottom section that I am going to be curling, and then I'll part the top section to curl. So make sure you're protecting your hair. I use the Tresemme's Heat Protectant spray for my hair. So I'm just gonna put this all over the area that I separated. And please make sure your hair is combed out so that you don't get like these weird flyaways and hairs that are like sticking up. So you take the first section and you're gonna curl backwards. So you're gonna take it in, twist it just once, and then you're gonna bring it down like this. And then when you get towards the end, you're gonna just twist it once more, like that. And then you're gonna let it go. And you have a cute little curl. You can put hairspray. So this is Sebastian's shaper. I think I got this from like Marshall's or something, but it's a brushable hairspray. So you can spray your spray your curl after you curl it. So you're gonna do the same thing for the rest of your hair. So bring it back, bring it down. Once you get towards the middle or the end, twist it once more. Bring it all the way down and let it go. And there you go. And then you're gonna hairspray. So I'm gonna do this around all my hair.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so this is how my hair looks all curled. So I'm gonna put this spray again. And then I'm gonna just separate and comb out my hair. So you can do it with your hands, you could do it with a comb. However you want to do it, you can. And then you can fix whatever curls you need to fix. So I'm just gonna fix my part. And then I'm gonna add just some texture spray. So I'm gonna grab that. So this is the Kendra Platinum Dry Texture Spray. So I'm just gonna put this underneath here. So this is how my hair came out. I love it. And when I tell you, using a straightening iron for me is way better than a curling iron because my curls actually stay. So these will actually stay throughout the night. They'll still drop a little because I have straight hair. But when I tell you, try it out with a straightening iron, I'm sure the curls will last a long time. And use some of these products. Like I said, any type of dry brushable shampoo would work. Hairspray will work. And this texture spray I just got, and I actually really like it because it just gives you a lot of volume in your hair. But that is pretty much it. I hope this was informational for you guys, but keep trying it out. It works and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.